Hello, it's John Morrod here. How to make money on Clickbank using Pictory, the Vidnami alternative. On the sales page for Pictory, they've now introduced this special page which recognises that Vidnami is shutting down, but it says Pictory is to the rescue. And if you look through the sales page about what Pictory can do, it can use AI to transcribe the input video into text, edit the transcription to edit the video, and it can use AI to extract the top highlights. And then it can actually add different videos in. So let's have a look inside. First of all, Pictory, and then we'll have a look at how you can use it to sell items from Clickbank. Let's just pop inside here. Probably the best thing to do, I just log in on this page here. Close that window there. Right, first of all, let's do this differently. Let's just pop in and have a look in Clickbank. I thought I might try and promote this item here. It's called the Custom Keto Diet. So it's got an affiliate page. If you click on the affiliate page here, quite often with affiliate pages, it will have articles that you can use. So I just want to grab part of this article here and open the article up. Let's look at this one, 7 benefits to the keto diet. What I'll do is I'll just take a little bit of this text, because you can use these as an article if you was writing about this in a blog, but we'll just take some of this text, just take a small amount of it, that much there I think, just so we've got some text to play with. And we'll go into, let's close that one down now, and we'll go into Pictory. Now we've got several different options here. You can actually take an article to video. So if you've already got articles on your blog, this is where you would paste the URL to that article. But we're going to do script to video. Yep. So we'll go on start here, and we just copy and paste the information that I just took from there, and then we can just click on proceed. We'll choose a 16.9 landscape rather than 9:16, which would be for something like TikTok, or a square one, which would be for social media, but we'll go for 16:9 because we're going to put it on YouTube. It's actually quite quick at this point doing this here, and anyone who's used Vidnami in the past can probably see a similarity here with Vidnami. So it's already gone through and chosen some pictures. If we have a look at the visuals, click on visuals just here, we can actually go through and change these pictures. So if we read the words, so let's see, when you hear about the ketogenic diet, the first thing you perhaps think of is what could possibly make it as good as people say. So I think rather than have people walking here, we'll go for just pictures of food involving meat. So there seems to be a lot of meat protein in the ketogenic diet. So let's just type meat in there and see what it comes up with. Yeah, it's got a nice burger there. So we'll put that in there. Going to have the same for the second one, and then the third one. The answer is that there are enough benefits to change your life. So just think of an alternative keyword to get a different picture. In fact, I'll just leave that there for a moment. I'm going to have a look at this. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? Type in keto. Keto is quite high protein, so let's click on that one there. Click on the next picture. So low in carbs, high in fat. Let's take that one. The idea is to fine-tune nutritional intake in order to send the body into the metabolic state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has store of glycogen sugar to fuel its energy. Quite like that one there. With sugar out of the way, the body has no choice but to tap into stores of fat. So the liver converts fat, reserves into ketones. We'll leave that like that. That's why the keto program is a good way to lose fat. 7 benefits of the keto diet. Let's choose that. Unlike other diets that offer practicing a weight loss benefit and little else, the keto diet comes with several benefits. Type in health benefits. That'll do. Right, so once we've done that, we can click on audio and add some audio to it. Alright, let's use that one. So we click on apply and then under audio settings, and we'll turn the volume right down from 100% down to about, let's try 12%. Right, you got styles. So this style, it comes in from the side. This style is in the middle already. That comes in halfway up from the left. It's probably getting in the way a bit. Let's use this one here, simplicity. So we click on that and it adapts it over onto the main picture. So we've done visuals, we've got the storyboard, done the audio, click on voiceover. We'll just for now choose UK English.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video
Yep, that'll do. So we'll click on apply. That's it. So now we click on generate and it'll go through and create the scenes. So I'll just pause this for a moment because it'll take a few minutes to do this, but you don't need to sit and watch it because it'll send you an email as soon as it's ready. So then you get the email and then you come back and download it. So we'll pop back in a moment and download that. Right, while we're waiting for that to be ready for downloading, we just pop back into Clickbank. Again, it was a custom keto diet, and we want to go back to the affiliate page, and then we want to click on create your affiliate links. So it gives you your affiliate link here. This is the standard link to the video sales page. If I just highlight that and then Control C to copy it, then I would normally go into a notebook. So I just open a, notepad. Just open a notepad here. And in the notepad, I'll just Control V. And this is the hop link for that product. It's your affiliate link. So we'll just get rid of the X's, and you put in your Clickbank ID, which mine happens to be UN Buddy, a YN Buddy, and that is the hop link. So I'm going to Control C again to copy that, and then normally I would go over to something like Bitly. This is called Bitly, and it's a link shortener. So if I click on here and create, it just says enter the URL there, so Control V, and then at the bottom here click on create. Right, it's created it, and if I just click here copy, it's now copied the shortened link. So I'll go back to Notepad, and then just underneath this here, Control V, and that's our shortened link that we're going to put underneath the video once we've uploaded it to YouTube. Right, so this is almost ready for downloading. Right, there's the options now. We can download it, copy the link, or share. So first of all, we'll download it. Click on download. It's downloading here. It says it'll be ready in just less than 1 minute. In the meantime, I might be able to have a look at it here. It actually uploads your videos to Vimeo. That's where they're hosted. Right, here's the finished video. We'll just click on play.
7 benefits of the keto diet. When you hear about the ketogenic diet, the first thing you perhaps think of is what could possibly make it as good as people say. The answer is, there are enough benefits to change your life. What exactly is a ketogenic diet? The keto program recommends a diet that is low on carbs, moderate on protein and high in fat. The idea is to fine-tune nutritional intake in order to send the body into the metabolic state known as ketosis. The body enters a state of ketosis when it no longer has stores of glycogen sugar to fuel its energy needs. With sugar out of the way, the body has no choice but to tap its stores of fat to get by. The liver converts fat reserves into ketones to present to the body as an energy source.
Right, well, hopefully you quite like that. The next thing we would need to do is upload that to YouTube. So you would go into your YouTube account and then we just click on upload video. So just select the file and we just put it into the download folder. So click on downloads and this is the one here. So click on that, click on open and it would upload it. Right, I'm just going to cancel that for a moment because I don't actually want to upload that one to my account. And what you would do, if for example this was the video that we just uploaded, we were going to edit once it's finished uploading, and just here in the description is where we would paste our link. So we'll go back to Notepad. This is our link here. So we will take that and control and copy. So if we didn't have this link here, we just put one instead, say go here to check out this amazing diet. And then we would put Control V to put the link there. Got too many words in my description, so it won't let me save it. 5,000 words, and I've got 5,022. Let's take these out for a moment, just to bring it below 5,000. Now we can save it. So now, if anyone was watching the video that you just uploaded, we'll pretend that this is the ketone diet one. They can watch your video, and then underneath your video, this link wouldn't be here, the top one. You just have show more, just have this one here, and this would have the other words in it as well, saying click here for the ketone diet. So if they click there, it goes straight through to the sales page, which is the video sales page.
Would you like to know exactly what to eat to lose fat and get healthy without giving up your favorite foods?
And then if people decide they would like to take it further, they click here. Anyway, you get the idea. This is a sales page, and they can go on from here to buy the product. So this is where your projects are all stored, so they can use them in the future. This is one that I made the other day. I don't know whether it will play it back.
The future of drone racing, drone test. It is said that drone racing is going to be the sport of the future. Have you ever heard of the first National Drone Racing Championship? This is something many people don't realize exists. There was also the World Drone Prix in Dubai. The winner, a 15-year-old boy from England, took home a
Right, hopefully that gives you an idea of the type of videos that you can create with Pictory. Is it as good as Vidnami? In some ways I don't think it is as good. There's a special offer on it at the moment at AppSumo it's called, where you can get a lifetime access to this for basically the price of just 1 month that you would normally pay. If it's still available for the lifetime offer, I'll put a link underneath the video. If that link then takes you to the normal sign-up page, then that means that this special offer has ended. But at the moment, for people this quick, there is this special offer at AppSumo. I believe it's $59 for lifetime access at the premium level, which is the level that we've just been using to make this. So it's worth trying to grab that while the offer's on. And I'm only thinking along the lines of I will use it until early next year, and it's worth the $59 just to do that. Because I want to see what happens with Vidnami once GoDaddy has finished integrating it into their studio. It may be a good price, and it may be as good or better than it was before, in which case I will go back to using whatever Vidnami becomes. But in the meantime, I think you can use this to carry on, because they're saying at the moment that it's going to be early next year that GoDaddy release it, but things can go on. It could be the middle of the summer of next year or longer before it's actually released. So rather than put your business on hold, you could use this software, this Pictory software, as a stopgap. Very economical at $59. But as I say, if the offer is ended, it's going to go to its normal price, which is very similar to what Vidnami used to be when we paid for that monthly. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it useful. And please, if you found any benefit from this video, please like and subscribe so that you'll be notified of any new videos that I make in the future. Thanks for now. Bye.